Count those sheep and catch those Z's. Ensure you get an adequate amount of sleep during your revision and exam period. Tip number 7 of 21 exam success tips. It has been scientifically proven that sleep helps memory to consolidate. At least half an hour before you plan to go to bed, ensure you turn off all electronic items. Use that half an hour to prepare any material or pack your bag for the next day. Try to have a set bedtime each evening in order to maintain a routine. This is especially important during weeks in which you are sitting your examinations. Having a routine is comforting in stressful times. That is the end of what Megan has written. Now, the benefits of good sleep. A good sleep goes beyond the exam, but let's just look at 2 things. Let's leave exams outside for a minute. Does sleep help with memory? Does sleep help with concentration and alertness? Yes, it does. Is there any connection between memory and concentration and exams? Are those related? Yes, memory and concentration, alertness are all related to examinations or doing well in examinations. Well, it's not just good to sleep enough now and then. It's good to try to get into that pattern. 7 to 9 hours of sleep is what is recommended as a good sleep. 6 hours, some people may be able to get away with it, but it isn't sufficient for most people, especially young people, because the brain is still developing. 10 hours is far too much. It's not good to get into the pattern of 10-hour sleep unless, well, if they want to do it, as long as it's consistent, it's okay, but I wouldn't recommend it. I'm sure you know in these days it's not sleeping too much that is a problem. It's not sleeping enough or disrupted sleep. Sleeping during the exam is so important because it helps with concentration. So let's just leave let's leave exams aside for a minute. There are other health benefits to sleeping or good sleeping, apart from the concentration and memory. It helps to reduce obesity. Let's face it, the reality is when people are not sleeping, they grazing or snacking away. Well, just one last thing. Young people, their brains are still developing. That is why a good sleep is important. Now, if they're not sleeping, what are they doing with that time? Watching a video, playing computer games on their devices, or catching up with social media. Those things can wait. An investment in sleeping time is one that pays very high dividends. So that's something that you may want to think about. Lastly, I just quote a little quote, which is a research conducted as published on Google. Sleep plays a critical role in learning and memory, emotional regulation, and related brain structure development. Close quote. Think about it. Exams are important, but the benefit of a good sleep goes way, way beyond exams. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Please make a comment, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Thank you.